Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I'm going to share with you a little bit of my journey as an artist and an educator inspired by the natural world. It's just full of awe and wonder, and nature has this way of inviting us to play, explore, imagine and create. So I'm in Sooke and I came to do a hike in the Potholes, and it's just started to pour with rain and we found this shelter, so just hanging out here to let it pass a little and then we'll go for a bit more of a wander. The Sooke's river's unique potholes and smooth deep pools were caused by glacier action 15,000 years ago. As the melting ice sheets passed by, they scoured the soft sandstone and deposited large boulders which wedged in the river. Strong, surging currents buffeted and twirled the rocks between canyon walls and on the river bottom, carving the geological formation we see today. I wish I had my pastels with me. Just colours, amazing. So returning from the Potholes, I was inspired by the amazing colour. Just the colours are just fascinating and very vibrant. So I took some photographs and I'm just referencing back to the photographs that you can see on the screen. And it was just, I wanted to capture just a movement of the shape. So it's abstract, it's an abstract, and I was just using a pen, linear abstract. So that one, you can see the triangle was my starting point, and I just allowed the pen to flow organically. And then for the next one, this is my favorite one, and this is the one I'm going to work on to develop further. And if you zoom in, you can see this wee bird. That's what I saw. So I started with the linear lines again, focusing in on the bird as my focal point. I started different variations. I began with my bird and then allowed the pen again, linear abstract, to take it on a journey of what I visualized, the rock formation. So there's this one. I really love the looseness of this. You know, there's just a sense of real freedom there. So I maybe just leave it like that. I like it just as a line drawing. I then decided to do this one, putting in a lot more detail and focusing in with the lines. Probably develop this a bit more with some more watercolor. And then so this one I worked on this morning, and I was just using pastels. And I was working with, you know, just recently I've just been spending a lot of time with pastels, oil pastels and chalk pastels. And so that's what I'm working with this morning, and adding a little bit of coconut oil and rubbing it in and merging. And so just layering, and I'll maybe work on this a wee bit longer, adding and building to the colour. Just trying to capture that beautiful colour that is in this one on screen. And then also I played with some charcoal. Charcoal is fantastic. You can get it in different grades. This one's medium. You can get soft and hard as well. And it's just playing, it's just a lovely one to play with. And I'll probably just start building this one up with chalks, pastel chalks. It's just playing, exploring, experimenting, and having fun. So that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe down below. The details are below, and you can follow me on my website as well. And I'll see you next week. Have fun. Have an amazing week outdoors in nature.